All right, let's take a look. If the printout isn't clear, how do we adjust it? The printout is not clear. First, let's check the print result. Okay, as we can see, the typing isn't good. The print is not clear. So what should we check? First, we need to check the ribbon. Is there a problem with the ribbon? One possible reason for unclear printing is an issue with the ribbon. Another thing we need to check is the settings in our tools, specifically the printhead settings in the tool menu. One aspect is the print quality. If the print quality was originally set to 50%, we can change it to 100% or 80%. 80% or set it to 100% or 80% or even set it to the maximum. If after setting it to the maximum, the printing is still not good, if the printing still doesn't work, then let's take a look here and check what else could be the issue. Our print head, the precise distance between the print head and the surface of our product should ideally be maintained within 2 millimeters. If it's not precisely within 2 millimeters, we then need to carefully add these necessary spaces. Many of these machines typically come equipped with spaces like this. Here, we've carefully added 2 spaces inside, which possess a certain thickness to ensure that the machine moves smoothly downward. To accomplish this, we gently loosen the 4 screws, carefully insert the spacers, and make sure the critical distance from the print head to the product surface is accurately controlled within 2 millimeters. Around 2 millimeters is truly best. Also, in our comprehensive settings, there is a crucial parameter for downward pressure, specifically the printing pressure. This particular pressure setting can be easily adjusted, offering a range from 1 to 5. Right now it's currently set to 1. Let's proceed to adjust it to 3, or perhaps even 4. Let's try setting it to 3 and then confirm the change. I will now proceed to print this once again, and then we can give it another comprehensive and thorough try. Alright, now this is significantly and remarkably much clearer than it was before. You can distinctly and easily see that the previous version was incredibly faint and quite blurry. The overall visual quality was undeniably and obviously not good at all. However, in stark contrast, this current one is truly, genuinely, and exceptionally good. It's absolutely excellent in every single aspect. This is how you adjust when the print is not clear. First, the distance between the print head and the surface of the product should be controlled at around 2 millimeters. Second, check if there are any issues with the quality of the ribbon. And third, we can adjust the downward pressure. Another thing is the print quality, the print darkness, or the print density. We need to set the print darkness to the maximum, which is 100%. If it's not at 100%, we can adjust it to 100%. All right, so that's how you adjust when the print is not clear. If we've already adjusted the downward pressure, the print head's downward pressure is set, the distance from the print head to the product surface is correct, and the print density is also set to 100%. And we've also replaced the ribbon, but the printing is still not good, then it's possible that the print head is damaged. In that case, we need to replace the print head,